Alright, so I'm out here right now. I wanted to try a couple of recipes that I made. Got the recipes done, and I wanted to try them out. It's midday light, it's kind of harsh, but you don't always get to choose, what lighting you're gonna have. And if you just wait for perfect light, then I guess you're never gonna take photos. And I'm a big fan of just taking photos whenever I feel like going out and taking photos. It's kind of like fishing for me. But I drove by here, which is what I do normally. I drive around and I see stuff. I drove through here 2 days ago and I saw this building back here. And it was interesting to me. And I like taking photos of things that are interesting to me, or historical places that look nice, whatever. I wanted to try, like I said, the recipe, and also I wanted to shoot in square format that I normally don't shoot in square format. But I wanted to try that, as well as kind of force myself to only take 12 shots as if I was shooting 120 film, right, in square. So here we are, middle of the day. I'm gonna take a shot of this here, and then when I parked, I saw this first, but then when I parked, I noticed there's another building over here that I'll swing the camera to here in a second. That also looks like a cool scene, so I might take a photo of that, see what composition I can make with it. Right now, I'm putting the water tank on like the right 1/3 of the square. That's how I'm composing this scene. We're gonna take it at f8 and 1/1600th of a second. Actually, let's go 1/1250th of a second. Make it a little overexposed. All right, and that's with the GFX 50R and 63mm. Oh wait, switch the recipe here now. So 2 shots per scene. One using one recipe, and one using the other recipe. Same composition though. Let's take a look at this other building over here. Next building, I don't know how to shoot this. There's no easy way for this one, especially square. This is not turning out like I thought. So square format for this, not the greatest, but I'll try it anyways. This here looked a lot better from the car. I'm not sure. Maybe if I move in closer, I don't know. I took the shot anyways. Yeah, no, I don't like it. Like I said, much better from the car. Alright, well, while I was moving around a little bit, I moved this way and then I noticed a different scene, so this might work. I'm gonna take the shot and see how this one looks. A little bit better. It's more like off to one side and there's some leading lines. Hopefully this will work out. Kind of like it. The geometry looks nice to my eye, so I'm gonna take it. See how it works out. F8, 2500th of a second. There we go. First shot. I'm gonna switch it to the second recipe. And second shot. All right, 2 shots. Driving around looking for places, found this building, and I like the colors. I like the different shades, but mainly the colors. I think they look freaking awesome. So I'm gonna walk up to this door here. I think this is the composition I want. This is the door. Semi straight on. And then second recipe. Make sure it lines up. Maybe maybe there's a second shot here. I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take this too, because I like it. I also like this shot here. I had mentioned fishing, right? Like I take this as fishing. And let me expand on that. Some people go sports fishing and they have to catch a fish, or they have to catch the biggest fish, right? And so they're under pressure to do so. But for me, I'm more of the guy that goes fishing because it's what relaxes them. That's kind of like the fishing I'm talking about. I go out. This is my me time. I get to relax and do something I enjoy without the pressure of having to get something. Let's take this second recipe. This was a good shot. I like this. Some cool shapes in here. Plus the sign on the other side. I think it'll be cool. Yeah. Got another fish. I'm gonna take a shot of this rooster here. I'm gonna overexpose this by like 1.5 stops. Unfortunately, I left the camera on while driving around, and now I have only 1 bar battery-wise. So I don't think it's gonna last much longer. I'm at 6 shots. I'll take 1 more, see how it comes out. Alright. Last couple of shots before the light goes away. I found this building driving on the highway, but it's kind of difficult to shoot here because from the highway it looks super cool here. Hard to find a good composition, but I kind of like this, so I am gonna take it. Shot number 7. The railroad tracks look pretty nice too, but again, light's gone. So, back for a second day. I ran out of batteries last time I was out and about. Then I had to go do my actual job for a couple of days. And now I am back. I found this place out here. Kind of hard to get to though. So I'm trying to figure out how to get around this. See how I can get closer to this little beach here. Oh, there we go. I found some game trails that I could probably utilize. Lots of snakes out here, so hopefully I don't have to encounter any. There's also a beaver here. This is all eaten up by beavers. That's cool. Not often you encounter beavers out in the wild. Oh, look, little frogs. Cool. This here's a piece of wood that's been chewed up by a beaver. How's that? A couple of things I was looking at here. There's this tree that's down here. There's a stump that's been chewed up there. And then there's other taller tree, dead tree here. I got 5 shots left of my 12 shots that I was planning on taking. Again, I'm with the GFX 50R medium format, trying to mimic a 120 film roll. Having a hard time with this composition though. Like it looks a lot better from over there, but once I get here, the sun is just not right, and the composition is not right. No, it just doesn't look good. I don't like it. I just don't like it. Big tall tree. Also don't like it. Okay, maybe I found something here. So this down tree here kind of makes a frame for the chewed up tree on the other side. Maybe I'll take it. Maybe I'll take it. Yeah, I think I like it. Alright, so this is going to be f11 1/25 of a second. Alright, that's 1 shot, and then we're going to switch over to the other recipe. This is with classic chrome. There's the other shot. All right. Both shots sent. So quick review. That's not bad. It looks fine. Bummer. I feel like the light is gonna get even better. It's just there's not a ton of compositions here. Good light though. It is what it is. That's it. All right, let's see. How do we get out of here now? Cool. So driving back, found this scene. I got two hearses and that truck with the broken back. And I'm trying to see if I could capture the whole thing, or at least a little bit of both. I really like how this looks from far away, and I'm not gonna lie, this would be much better Madden Square format, but I'm sticking to it. I like that. So I'm gonna switch it to the classic chrome recipe, same shot. I think I'm down to 8. When I get some detail shots of the of those hearse. All right, continuing some detail shots of the hearse. Like 2 more shots. Oh, maybe not. This is gonna be hard. Let's just center these suckers up. There we go. That's a little better. That's cool. Cool. I think that's all 12. Square format. Not my favorite. Definitely not my favorite. What do you do?